Hello my friends, this is Doug Fabian. Welcome to my weekly ETF report. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2015. Thank you for joining me today. As always, three things to talk about. Let's begin with where the financial market's at so far this year. U.S. stocks up about 1%. Bonds doing pretty well, better than U.S. stocks, up about 2%. And international stocks up 5 to 15% on a year-to-date basis. So far this year, international stocks have been the place to be. Now, one of the things I promised on last week's broadcast was I was going to talk about investing ideas, and that's what I want to do right now. I want to show you a chart. This is a chart of EEM. This is the Emerging Markets ETF from iShares. And as you can see on this chart, we've just broken above the 200-day average this past week in EEM. Most of the reason why EEM has done so well in the past week or so is because of China. This particular ETF has about 20% of its country allocation to China. And China has been absolutely on fire. But I believe that emerging markets just breaking above their 200-day average is a signal that we are witnessing a trend change. Next, I want to share with you a chart of FXI. This is the iShares China 25 ETF. Now, this particular exchange-traded fund is very large in size, but only has about 30 stocks within it. It's almost like the Dow Jones Industrials of China. But as you can see, FXI has just rocketed higher. Matter of fact, FXI is up 11% in just the last 1 week alone. Now, this has been a newsletter position for quite some time, and successful ETF investing newsletter subscribers are enjoying nice gains in FXI. And I'm not recommending you rush out and buy FXI right here. But what I am saying is that China, now the largest economy in the world, growing at 7% economic growth, with PE ratios around 12 compared to a PE ratio of 18 here in the United States, may be a better long-term buying opportunity than the S&P 500 right now. Now, the last concept I want to leave you with today is a valuable tool that is now available to you completely free. And what I have up right now is a screenshot of the home page at etfu.com when you click on database. And you can just see a portion of the page here. But there are different categories of exchange-traded funds that are listed. And the way that I've organized the database is by category. So you have U.S. domestic, you have emerging markets, there's even a category for China. But you can now do some very extensive research on your own using this new tool that is out at etfu.com. So I am so excited about this new database. I've organized it with all of my favorite fund facts. So right at the top of the page, you get performance information, you get expense ratios, you get volume, you have a price chart of each ETF, the 200-day moving average, the 50-day moving average. Lots of great stuff. So I invite you to go out to etfu.com and check it out. And I look forward to your comments, questions, and suggestions. Remember, you can send me an email. It's askdoug@dougfabian.com. Thanks for tuning in this week.